I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so right now. And if you have, thank you so much. I am doing a quick little update video on some units that I've already reviewed and tested out. So I'm letting you know like what my thoughts are once I reviewed them, worn them. Are they the same, views, different, what have you. This little girl is Sensationnel's Dashley. It's a part of Sensationnel's Dashley line, and this is lace unit number 2, lace front wig, and I have her in the color 2T30. I have a review on her. I'm going to be honest with you. I liked her initially, but I've been wearing her more. I actually wore her quite a few times, and I wore her today to work. And the more I wear her, the more that I like her. I do feel like this is sort of a wig that you could wear all the time, every day, a work-friendly wig, just a, you know, quick, put it on, casual, looks good, you know, tuck her behind the ear little situation. Looks pretty, but effortless. I love this wig. And I love it more than I did in my initial review. So this one is something I absolutely recommend. Good job, Sensationnel. So this is Sensationnel Empress Lace in Maryam. And this is one of their 4x4, so free parting wigs. I initially loved this wig. The texture is giving me that yaki free tress equal situation that I love. I'm loving this like blonde underneath. She looks good right now, okay? And she looked amazing in the pictures that I took with her, for sure. My issue is that I wore her out and I was looking at the pictures that were taken in this wig, and from different angles it looks real wiggy, like it's too much here or something. And my cousin, who actually was not on board with the wigs at first, but now she is, not shy to say when she likes a wig on me and when she doesn't, and she did not like this one on me. And when I look back to the pictures, I see why, because it looks very obviously wiggy, and it's a shame because I think this wig is beautiful. The texture is beautiful, the coloring is beautiful. I do feel that she's versatile, and maybe if she was pulled back or something, it would be working. It's sort of the same struggle I had with Harlem 125's LSD 11. She looks gorgeous face front. She looks gorgeous in pictures, but different angles, it's just like this sort of like helmety situation here. It's just too much hair up in here. And so yeah, if you're getting this wig because you want some sexy pictures and you're going to be in some still pictures or front facing video, I say go ahead, because this is some big, sexy, beautiful hair. The texture is going to make it so that it's going to be long lasting. I would just be careful about wearing it out. Not to say you couldn't make it work. I'm not going to make it work, but it does have a little bit too much here to be sort of like believable as not a wig. And if you don't care, people know that you're wearing a wig. Like, I don't really care, but I don't want, most people, if they've never met me, do not know that I am wearing a wig. So if you've never met me and don't know that I wear wigs but can tell it's a wig, that's a problem. I don't know how I feel. Again, like I said, that's how I feel. I really love her. I really wanted to love her. She's great for pictures, but she's not one that I would wear again. And I don't like saying that because I think she's a gorgeous wig and I absolutely love the texture. So that's how I feel about Maryam. Sorry, we had a good run, but it's done. And I'll be letting her go on my Poshmark. So sad. And last but not least, I have another one of the Dashley wigs, and this is unit 4, and I have her in 99J as the color, and this is a full cap wig with bangs. I did a video where I was comparing a similar unit, at least in the pictures, to an outre unit, so that's the video you'll see this in. This is a nice wig. It's a great yaki texture. I love the curl pattern on this, love it. It's super cute. So if you want one of these type of wigs with the bangs, something quick, easy, put on, you don't have to screw around, worry about hairlines or nothing, And this was fairly inexpensive. I 100% say this is a wig that you should scoop up. I personally am not going to keep it just because I don't wear a lot of banged units. So I'm going to put this on my Poshmark, but I'm telling you what, this is a comfortable wig. It's pretty. I think it's flattering, easy, so I would say this is definitely one. If you like this style, go ahead and scoop this chick up. You will probably have to trim the bangs up to your preference, but other than that, yeah, she's gorgeous. So yeah, those are my sensational updates for now. If you have any wigs that you haven't seen an update on that you would like me to film an update for, put that down below. If there's any other sensational wigs that you would like me to review, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!